It's even nice wood there. That's coming to fashion, man. I've stayed at hotels that have got wood like that. It's a nice low dash as well. Perfect for putting anything on. Nice, straight, long bonnet. Oh, we're off, we're off. Oh yeah. There you go. This is easy. And that is 30 miles an hour. We've got an impatient Alpha behind me. We won't get there any faster. But it's just, it's together. It is really quiet, really smooth. I think that's brilliant. I am thoroughly impressed with a car. This Audi was fully restored by its previous owner. And the thing that I couldn't quite get my head around is the fact that it drove like a car that was 10 years old instead of a vehicle that's 40 years old. I know I didn't drive it hard. Driving this car, it felt as if it was playing tricks with all my senses. The steering was precise, the brakes were really, really good, and the suspension was just really, really smooth. It was a real joy to drive this car. Thanks for watching the video. For my blog, just go to webloganycar.co.uk. Bye for now.